Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Forester headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Forester is off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open the hood and identify the rear of the headlight unit you need to service. This initial setup ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to gain access to the bulb itself. Depending on your Forester model, you might need to remove a few plastic clips or a cover. Once clear, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist this connector counterclockwise and pull it straight off. Then, unclip or twist the retaining spring that holds the old bulb firmly in its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging components. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the grooves in the housing and gently push it straight in until it's seated securely. This ensures proper fit and function. Finally, let's test and reassemble. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Before closing everything up, turn on your Forester's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. Once confirmed, reattach any retaining springs, plastic covers, or clips you removed earlier. Close the hood, and you're all set with your new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.